NOC from Central Groundwater Authority. Water is life, and groundwater plays a critical role in sustaining our future. To prevent depletion, the Central Groundwater Authority (CGWA) has introduced vital guidelines to regulate groundwater extraction and promote conservation. Groundwater extraction falls into three key categories: drinking and domestic use, industrial processes and domestic use, agricultural irrigation. Drinking and domestic use. Groundwater for drinking and domestic use is essential for everyday life. CGWA permission is not required for households using non-energized pumps up to 2 HP. However, if public water supply is insufficient, a NOC may be required to ensure sustainable use. Infrastructure projects. Any industry, mining, or infrastructure project using energized means to extract groundwater must obtain CGWA permission. In 2020, the CGWA introduced stricter guidelines, especially in overexploited areas, to safeguard this crucial resource. Industrial sites. Industries drawing groundwater for mixed use must install digital water flow meters, record monthly water usage data, conduct annual groundwater quality checks through NABL accredited labs. In overexploited areas, additional measures like annual water audits, piezometer installation, and telemetry monitoring are mandatory. Mining projects. Mining projects must adhere to strict monitoring guidelines, including the installation of digital water level recorders and setting up a groundwater monitoring network within a 5 km radius. Agricultural irrigation. While farmers are generally exempt from NOC requirements, large-scale farmers are encouraged to embrace water-efficient irrigation methods to reduce groundwater reliance. Application process. The application process for CGWA permission requires submission of key documents, including referral letter for new expansion industries from MOEF and CC, SPCB, SEAC, SLEIAA, BIS, FSSAI. The referral letter should mandatorily indicate the actual water requirement for the industry for the specified industrial process. Consent to operate (CTO) by the concerned SPCB, PCC. Certificate regarding non or partial availability of water supply to the industry from the concerned water supply agency. Water conservation fee based on the quantum of extraction to the state government. By following CGWA guidelines, we can secure groundwater resources, ensuring a sustainable future for all.